What's up, YouTube? Just hopped in my truck, turned it on, and noticed that my radio doesn't work at all. No power up here, none right here. The whole radio component has no power going to it. This little airbag indicator works, but as far as getting sound, using these controls, having the screen powered on, it's a big no. I saw a lot of people say that if you hold down this volume button and the right seek button at the same time, I've seen some people say 3 to 5 seconds, some people say 10 seconds. It does a hard reset and actually, will turn your radio back on. But I tried that. That doesn't work. So I'm reaching out to you guys to let me know, what do you guys think? What should I do in order to get this right before I, take it to Ford and try to see what they can do for me. I have a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT with about 30,000 miles on it. So let me know what you think. All right, peace.
Eventually.
Looky was back on. Guess who got their music back? This guy. I went into the store for a little bit, and guess what happened when I came back and cut the car back on? Yes, I am back in business. But I already made a dealership appointment, so I might still take my car there and get this radio looked at. I don't want to have to, if the radio's on, they're probably going to just shoo me along. Because a lot of times they be like, you got to duplicate the problem before we can even really look at it. So if this thing stays on, I'm going to try to take it to the dealership. If they don't accept it, then I'm going to just ride this out until it cuts off. Now, I was going to pull the fuse and see if that was going to hard reset my radio when I got home. But this thing just came back on. Some people said that if you pull the fuse, I think it was number 33, don't quote me, but I think I saw number 33, that would reset the radio as well. So, I tried the power far right seat button hold trick. That didn't work. The second thing was going to be to pull the fuse, and the third thing was going to be to go to the dealership. But this thing just came back on. I'm going to ride this thing out, and then hopefully I don't have to revisit this. Let me know if yours popped back on like mine did, and if it stayed on or did it go back out. That way I can forecast what I got to do moving forward. All right, y'all. I appreciate it. Peace.